To start for the concrete aspect of my learning, I would take the problem 2 over 1 plus 2 fourths, which the student missed, and break apart the problem. So have the student show 2 over 1, which is 2, and then 2 fourths. And then I would show the student how 2 fourths is also equivalent to 1/2 using bars. And I wouldn't actually show the student this. I would have the student be doing this on their own, but making it guided. So making sure they understand how to use the manipulative. And then I would have them look at what they had written for the problem. So in this instance, the student wrote 4/5. So I would pull out 4/5 and show it in comparison to what we did by breaking the question apart. To show the student that 2 over 1 plus 2 fourths is not equivalent to 2/5 or 4/5. Then for the pictorial aspect, I would use the same problem, and I would have the student draw pictures for what they would do. So in this instance, I used an area model, but a student could also use a set model or a linear model, whichever they prefer. And so I drew 3 squares and then colored in 2 of them for the 2 over 1, so 2 holes. And then I broke the 3rd square into 4 and colored in 2 fourths to show the 2 fourths or 1/2 of the next square. And just drew lines to show where each aspect came from. And to show that that was also 1/2 and 2 holes. So 2 holes and 1/2 would be the answer for the problem. Then to do the abstract portion, I would go through the procedural aspect with the student and how to solve the problem procedurally. So to start, you would find the smallest factor that 4 and 1 share. And in this case, 4 and 1, the smallest factor they would share is 4. So you have to multiply each side to make them the factor you need. So 2 over 1 gets multiplied by 4, and 2 fourths gets multiplied by 1, which equates to 8 fourths plus 2 fourths, which equals 10 fourths. And then 4 goes into 10 2 times. Plus the 2 left over and fourths. So the answer would be 2 and 2 fourths, which can be reduced to 2 and 1/2, like we've shown in the pictorial model.